Hello everybody, I'm Michael with Lumens. I'm here at the Lumens booth at Infocomm 2019 in Orlando. We have been so excited to show you our products this week, but one of the ones that I'm most happy about is our new lecturecapture box, the LC200. This thing is amazing. It supports endless IP cameras input, but we can now record all 5 of those streams independently. We have the ability to output and stream 3 different channels simultaneously. The system has a scheduler built in. We can now do lower third graphics. I just love this system now for doing your lecture capture, your event recording. We're also pairing it with our new KB30 controller. So we have total control over multiple cameras in the system, and it has the easiest interface I've ever seen. If you need more information, would like a demo, please give us a call. Go to mylumens.com. Right there on the website, we have a live chat option so you can ask additional questions if you need, or come see us. There's one more day left here at Infocomm. Give me a call, go to the website. Let's get this system in your hands so you can make your customers very, very happy. Hey everybody, thank you for watching these videos. If you want more information, please subscribe to our channel. Click the link below.